So yeah, for me, freelancing provides time freedom, it provides money freedom, and it's all about me living the life that I want for myself. And I don't care if that sounds selfish, because the more I help myself, the more I can help other people. And I'm all about helping other people. In this video, I'm going to tell you about what freelancing is and what freelancing has provided me with, including this awesome cruise to Catalina Island and Ensenada, Mexico. Stay tuned. Hey everybody, so I'm sitting out here on the balcony on the cruise ship, and Catalina Island is over there, and we're going to take the water shuttle over a bit later. But I wanted to come out here and record this video on this cruise ship because this is awesome. This is one of the things that freelancing has provided me with. Freelancing has provided a lot of freedoms for me. So the definition of freelancing is when you don't have an actual employer. So you're self-employed, you're working for yourself. That's what freelancing is. That's what a freelancer is. It's one of the definitions of freelancing. And to me, it provides freedom. Like, you don't have a boss that's looking over your shoulder all the time. You don't have somebody breathing down your neck saying, oh, are you going to get this done? Is this going to get done? I mean, as a freelancer, yeah, I do work with clients, but they're not breathing down my neck all the time. They might message me every now and then and be like, hey, how's the progress? Which is a good thing, because they want to make sure that it's moving along and that you're actually working on what it is that they have hired you to do. And with the clients, like, they can be repeat clients, they can be one-time clients, but you get to say your own price. You don't have a boss, you're your own boss, which means that you have to keep track of your time, you have to keep track of the clients that you're working with, how much you're earning, your taxes. All those things are done by you, but it's so much more worth it to me because you get to earn what you feel you are worth. And it's more fulfilling because you don't get stuck in a job for over 40 years doing something that you absolutely hate. So for me, freelancing is more than worth it. And it's just, to me, it's the definition of freedom. Freelancing to me means freedom. But now, I'm not going to say that it is all rosy colored glasses and it's all fantastic and fun, because yes, it can be when you get to that point, but when you're in the grind and building it up to where it needs to be, it takes time. It takes a lot of time. It takes a lot of hard work, but it is worth it to work for a few years, whether it be 3 to 4 years, to build something up that is a huge asset for you. So you're actually working for yourself. You're providing yourself with more freedom, financial freedom, time freedom, all those things that you want. It is definitely worth it. I would say that there are times where you might have difficult clients that are hard to work with. And sometimes when it comes down to those types of clients, I'll just be like, okay, I'll give you a refund, because I prefer to protect my reputation. Because when it comes down to that, your reputation is something that other people will look at and be like, hey, let me see what it is that you've done when you work with other people. If they like what you created or delivered, then I might work with you. But if you have a disgruntled customer or client and they're just difficult, just to be difficult, because they are out there. They are definitely out there. And it will be difficult just because they can be difficult and because they can make your life miserable. Just let that client go. Be like, okay, you can get a refund. I prefer to not work with you again, and I wish you well in whatever it is that you're doing. Because I have done that a few times before. Not that many, not that often, but you will find you will run into those clients or customers that are difficult to work with, and you just got to let them go, give them their money back, and be like, I wish you well. Protect your reputation at all costs as a freelancer. That is important. Your reputation is definitely important. But yes, it will definitely take a lot of time, a lot of discipline, a lot of dedication and hard work to build up your freelance business to where you are thriving financially, where you have the time to be able to take vacations when you want to. You can go on cruises. This is my second cruise in this year in 2020. This is my second cruise. My first cruise was in February 2022. And it was for our honeymoon cruise. It is now June 2022, and this is my second cruise ever. And so yeah, I have time freedom. I have the finances to be able to actually thrive and take these trips and just really enjoy the life that I want. And so some of the things that freelancing has provided me with, including this, is the ability to buy my mom a home in 2020. my husband and I went half and half. So since we went half and half, which was fantastic, and I truly appreciate him for doing that, since we went half and half and bought her that home, later on that year in 2020, I was able to invest in a rental property, a duplex with him. So I own 22.2% of a duplex, and that's awesome because that's an investment. That's my money working for me. Then in 2021, I actually invested in two things that I had been thinking about for a long time. So I always wanted, first, LASIK, because I'd been wearing glasses since I was in kindergarten. Can you imagine how young that is? So I've been wearing glasses since I was in kindergarten, and then eventually upgraded to contacts as I got into my 20s. And so it was a thing for me of actually wanting that freedom of glasses, that freedom of contacts, not having to wake up and be like, oh, I got to put these in my eyes, or I got to put these glasses on. And so I invested in LASIK for myself in 2021. So now I have really good vision. I don't have to bring any contact lens solution with me anymore, no contact cases, no glasses, none of that stuff anymore. I got LASIK. It's fantastic. I also got braces, as you can see, orthodontics, and yeah, that's awesome because I'd always wanted straight teeth and couldn't afford braces when I was younger. Single mom, youngest of 5 kids, obviously, of course. So to be able to afford braces as an adult, yeah, I'm 34 with braces on, but that's okay because I paid for it, right? So yeah, invested in LASIK braces in 2021, and then in 2022, which is this year, second cruise. I also took a trip to Hawaii last year for the first time. We took road trips to LA. I visited my friend in LA. Took a last minute trip to Sacramento to surprise one of my other friends. And yeah, this year, a lot of fantastic things happening. I've invested in 2 more rental properties this year in Arizona with my husband. And so yeah, things just continue to go up and up and up. And I'm all about, when I save the money, I want to invest the money. So investing my money, having it work for me, and I have my online courses. One of them has actually made quite a bit this year, so I'm surprised by that because I'm like, I haven't done any advertising, I haven't done any marketing for it, but I should do more of that because that's passive income for me. I have to do that. But yeah, so look at this water ferry coming off our ship. We gotta take that later too. To get over to the island. But yeah, so first time to Catalina Island and Ensenada as well. And my first cruise earlier this year was my first time to Puerto Vallarta, Cabo San Lucas, and Mazatlan. And we actually went zip lining in Mazatlan in the woods, and it was such an awesome experience. So yeah, for me, freelancing provides time freedom, it provides money freedom, and it's all about me living the life that I want for myself. And I don't care if that sounds selfish, because the more I help myself, the more I can help other people. And I'm all about helping other people. So yeah, I think that's the best way to live, is to want to thrive so that I can help myself first and then help other people. So yeah, that's what I'm all about. So that's what freelancing is in a nutshell. And those are some of the freedoms and the fantastic things that freelancing has provided me with. And it was all about me just wanting to live a life where I felt fulfilled, where I got to enjoy as much as I can, where I got to take vacations, taking trips, and seeing more of the world. And it just kind of spiraled from there. Look at the person back there, parasailing. It won't let me zoom in. How awesome is that? Yeah, that's one of the excursions that we could do. But I can't swim, so I'm not going to do that. But it's so cool. But another one of the things of freelancing is the fact that you can actually work from anywhere in the world. Like currently I'm on this cruise ship, but I can connect with my clients and do their work for them and deliver that to them. So I can work from anywhere in the world, literally. And so I've worked with my clients while I was on vacation in London, England, while I was on vacation in Tokyo, Japan, and of course when I was in Hawaii last year. I also took a trip to Palm Beach, Florida, and actually worked with my clients as well. So I even had one of my clients when I was in London, where he actually had me create a spokesperson video for him in front of Buckingham palace, which is where the queen lives. So that's pretty incredible. And I have the memory of that. I have the video of that. And yeah, I actually made money for doing that. So yeah, you can work with clients from all over the world virtually online, and you can do your work from anywhere in the world and deliver it to your clients online. So you're not stuck at a certain place. You can work from home, you can work from wherever it is that you are, and it's pretty awesome. Freelancing provides a lot of freedoms. There's no commute. You don't have to go to an office. I have rented out an office, but you don't have to do that. You can work from home. You can work from wherever you are and start working with clients and start doing the work for them, freelancing, and enjoying more of your life. To help you get started with freelancing, I actually created an ebook called the Freelance Success Formula, and it will get you on the right track to actually starting and building your freelance business from the bottom floor. I will include a link to that book in the description so you can get access to that right away and start building your freelance business from the bottom floor. It includes a practical 3-step process to actually building your freelance business and starting to thrive, starting to earn money, working with clients from all over the world, doing something that you truly love and enjoy, to live the fulfilling life that you want to live. So hopefully this video was a great video for you about my experience, what freelancing is, what it has provided me with, and yeah, if you have any questions, let me know in the comments below, and I will be sure to answer you. Give me a like on this video, subscribe to my channel for more great content like this about freelancing to teach you how to freelance, and yeah, I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Happy freelancing.